While scrolling through Instagram, you might have noticed some accounts with a blue checkmark beside their name. These checks indicate authentic profiles of public figures, celebrities, and brands. In this video, we'll show you how to request this badge. And stay with us until the end, as we'll share a bonus tip on turning captions on or off. So let's get started. Log into your account, and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. From there, tap the menu on the top right, and choose Settings. Tap on Account Type and Tools, then select Request Verification. Lastly, provide your full name, along with the required identification form, such as your ID, and follow the on-screen instructions. Being verified means your account is confirmed as authentic by Instagram, but it doesn't endorse you. Those who are eligible are accounts that Instagram considers to be public figures, celebrities, and recognized brands with active, unique, and public accounts. That's it. And here's a bonus tip on turning Instagram captions on or off. Tap on your image profile, select the menu icon, and go to Settings. Choose Account, tap on Captions, and toggle it on. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, visit our full playlists of Instagram tutorials.